Trello tutorial: how to create Trello social media content calendar to plan. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will be doing a video tutorial about Trello app, a project management tool. This is perfect for everyone who wants to begin using this tool, Trello. So Trello is the visual tool that empowers your team to manage any type of project, workflow, or task tracking. From this platform, you can add files, checklists, or even automation, like customize it all for how your team works best. So let's just go ahead and sign up, create a board, and let's see how this software can help our team. So let's get started. First, visit Trello.com. Here you can sign up for free, which make this software good. So let's go ahead and click on sign up for free button for us to create our account. So to sign up, you can provide your email here, or you can directly sign up with your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account, or Slack account. Let me just go ahead and select Google account. This is much easier for me. So I will just go ahead and connect my Gmail account here. And after that, here is my info. Now let me click on create an account. And here, to set up your account, we need to first name our first workspace, and then you can invite other member. I will just go ahead and leave this blank, and I click on continue. So here you have your options to directly start your free account, or you can start the free trial for the premium plan for 30 days. If you want to get the free trial, then you can enjoy the features of the premium plan for free for 30 days. But here you need to provide billing information. I will just go ahead and click on start without free trial so that I can just make use of the free plan account directly. So this is now the main dashboard here. So before we create our first board, let's first take a look of the dashboard. So here on the left side bar, so you have your tabs here for your boards. Here you can easily view all your boards from your workspaces. And also you have your templates here that you can make use of for your project, so you can perfectly manage and organize your work here. So you have different templates here that will suit your needs, either for business, design for graphic designers, education, engineering, marketing, and more. And here for the next tab is home. Here you can easily track and check any updates for all your boards, and also you may check any notification and activities here. And lastly is your workspace. So this is the workspace that I created first. So let me go ahead and add another workspace here. For example, workspace for my social media. Let me add this. And then after that, the workspace type, let me select marketing. And then you can add also description here and hit on continue after. And then here you can invite member that you want to work with in this workspace or project. I will just click on do it later. So here you can now start creating your board. So let me add my first board here as social media content plans. Then a list here. For example, my first list is list of ideas. Then the next one is content writing, then video making, then editing, and lastly, upload. After that, let's add cards here in your list. So it's like a task. So let's say the first idea is about unboxing my iPhone 13. Then let's name other ideas as idea 2 and idea 3. And then just click on the card for you to add more info about this task or about this card. And here you can write description about this idea. And here you can add member that you can collaborate or work with for this task. And here you can add labels as well. And here you can see different color, and you can name each color just to organize and also to give your member idea about this task. For example, the red color, we can add name as urgent, then save it. Then let's name the other also, this one as new. And also for this one, let's name it as review. It's up to you. And let me label this as urgent. And here you can add checklists as well. For example, if you need to contact video maker, then you can add someone to assign for this task. And also you can add due date. Also, if you collaborate with someone, then you can add another task here to contact the collaborator. Then also task to set schedule and do the research. And also you can add more so that you can organize everything here to make sure that everything is perfect and you can finish your work on time. And you can simply check the boxes of the task that was done here. Also under date is where you can set up the working date from when it will start until the due date. Then here you can also attach files and different documents. And you may also change here the cover or background color of your board. And for power ups, it is an additional feature that can make your board look better. And also you have add button here to create buttons and rules to perform different actions on your boards if you want to. And you and your member can also leave comments here for this card. And if you like your board design, then you can make this as your template or you can save it as template. Just click here. And once you set up everything and add member, then just hit closed. So what you can do now here is that when everything is done here on your list of ideas, then you can simply go ahead and move it to the other list, for example, the content writing. And you can add more tasks here if you want to for this another list, or if you want to you can also create new card here. It's up to you if how you want to do things on your own. Let me just go ahead and move this back here. And you can also do like this, add new card, name it, then add another checklist here, assign, then due date. And you can also set up new date here for this task to finish. And this is what your board will be look like. But for me, I prefer of moving card to the next list, and I will just additional task for this card under this list. So I prefer to do this for my board, not to look confusing and also to see progress or to see that my project or my card are moving to the finish line, something like that. But again, it's up to you guys how you want to organize your task or your project. So that's how you can easily manage everything here, your work or your project. So these tools is very simple to use. And by the way, for the free account, you can have maximum of 10 boards. So if you reach that 10 boards, then you can delete other boards for you to add another boards. Or you can also upgrade your plan to premium. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something from this video today. And if you have questions, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.